Nevin Harrison, a 19-year-old from Seattle, Washington, came in and won the first ever gold in women's sprint canoe. She was the favorite to win, but she was still overcome with emotion, with tears streaming down her eyes after she crossed the finish line. She had a great start, which is crucial in this event of sprint canoe. She was basically in the middle of the pack in the beginning, but right after the middle point in this 200-meter race, she pulled away by almost a full boat length, and no one could catch up with her. Because it's a sprint, competitors actually almost stand. They basically kneel on their canoes as they paddle furiously in this 45-second race. It's a huge win for her, as doctors told her her Olympic dreams are over. She had hip dysplasia coming from 100 and 200 meter sprints in track, and that's actually most commonly found in dogs. So she switched to a sport that didn't require running, and she came out on top. Feel free to subscribe. Let's continue to keep you updated with the Olympics. Thanks.